Welcome to 312 Howard Crescent in Rolling Hills, Orangeville. I have lived in Rolling Hills community for over 5 years, and I must say that I love it. Our house is the best house we have ever had. Not only does my sister and I have our own rooms, but my dad has a room for his office to do all his work. Although I am sad to go, I am excited that another really cool family gets to experience this awesome house and community just like we did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. See you next time!